Have you given up on your New Year's resolutions already? Well, I wouldn't be surprised if you have, especially if you have ADHD. But keep watching because I have a solution for you. I'm inviting you to learn hypnotic goal setting for ADHD at the Goal Crusher 2025 online workshop. Hi, my name is Jamie Vasilian, the ADHD Hypno Coach, helping you take back control of your uniquely wired brain so you can begin to live the life that I believe you were truly destined to enjoy. Now, by the time of recording this video, we're about halfway through January, which means about 80 or 90% of people have given up on their resolutions or goals already. So if that's you, I know, it sucks. If you've got ADHD, well, that statistic is probably even higher, more like 100%. That sucks too. In fact, I wouldn't blame you if you'd given up on the idea of resolutions altogether, which actually wouldn't be a bad thing because we know that resolutions by their nature tend not to work, especially when you have ADHD. But we also know what does work, goal setting, but not just any old goal setting. No, it does need to be ADHD friendly. I mean, really ADHD friendly. And that's exactly what I'm inviting you to learn today by attending the Goal Crusher 2025 Hypnotic Goal Setting for ADHD workshop on 29th of January. At this event, I'm not only going to guide you step by step through a simple but easy and powerful goal setting system for ADHD, but we're going to take this a step even further. We're going to integrate the power of ADHD hypnosis with ADHD friendly goal setting into a simple but powerful and enjoyable system to help you finally achieve your goals more effectively and more easily than ever before. So if you're ready to stop procrastinating and start crushing your goals, then don't attend the Goal Crusher 2025 workshop. Actually, do attend the workshop. And this is a workshop for a small but friendly group that I'm limiting to 12 people. Now, there will be a replay, but I highly recommend that you do your best to attend in person for optimal results. This workshop will be live via Zoom 29th of January 2025 from 7 till 7:30 GMT or 2 p.m. EST. And if you're ready to become the next ADHD Goal Crusher, then be sure to check out the booking details below this video to book yourself in for this one-of-a-kind event. Anyway, I really look forward to meeting you soon to help you turn your brain into a goal-crushing machine this 2025. Bye for now.